Are you doing Facebook Lives, but you're kind of how you're struggling here, trying to come up with some ideas on what to talk about? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 5 ideas that you can use to create awesome Facebook Lives that will get viewers, it'll get leads, it'll get you traffic to your website, and it will get engagement. So stick around, let's talk about them. All right, well, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis and I want to make sure that you get notified. All right, so let's dive in. Some Facebook Live ideas. We're going to dive into them. I've got 5 for you here today that will really help you make sure that you get the viewer and that you hold them. So let's dive in. All right, number 1. This is one of the best ways to create live videos is how-to videos. Now, how-to videos are incredibly popular online. Now, you may or may not know this, but one of the most searched terms online is how-to. How to change the faucet in my kitchen. How to plant, flowers in the garden. How to plant carrots. How to mow the lawn. How to this, how to that. How to fix the tire on my car. These are some of the most universal terms used. Some of the biggest searches online include how-to search terms. People are always looking to understand how-to stuff. Now, I've been in this business for a long time, and I am constantly searching for how-to things. And one of the things that I have learned over the years is that this is probably one of the biggest topics that you can create videos around are how-to topics. So sit down, think about your particular niche. What are the things that people want to know and how to do, and create videos around it and create specifically Facebook Lives. This is the number 1 Facebook Live idea you can use, and I highly recommend you make how-to videos. So let's go ahead and dive into number 2. All right, number 2 is a really awesome way to get people on your Facebook Lives, and that's to do question and answer sessions on a specific topic. Now, I will add that on a specific topic. If you just have a Facebook Live and it's a generalized, hey, come on out, ask your questions. One of the things I've noticed over the years is that when I give a specific topic, like we're going to have a question and answer session about Facebook ads or Facebook marketing or YouTube marketing or whatever it may be, I get a much better response. So if you're going to do question and answer sessions, I highly recommend that you do it on a specific topic and allow people to ask you questions. This is a great way to get people on your lives and also to watch the replays, but also to get great engagement. So question and answers are great ways. They're great Facebook Live ideas, so make sure you use them. So let's dive in to number 3. All right, number 3, this is a great one. I love to do this. And that is interview experts. Interview people in your niche. Reach out to some people that you have respect for, people that you really enjoy listening to, or you love their training, or whatever it is. Reach out to those experts and ask if you can interview them. This is a great way to create content. I'm telling you, I've used this over the years. Not only do I like having experts come out and sharing their expertise, but I also love to provide that value to my audience. And it's a great way to get Facebook Lives and have Facebook Live ideas that really attract people and bring people in to see what it is that you're talking about. So interviewing experts is a great topic. It's a great Facebook Live idea that can really attract viewers and bring people in to your Facebook Live. So make sure that you utilize it. So let's go ahead and dive into number 4. All right, number 4 is very powerful. Now, we all have something to sell, right? Everybody's selling something online if you're doing any kind of online marketing. But one of the topics that you can use for your Facebook Live ideas are product launches and promos. Okay, so if you have a product and there's kind of a buzz going around on the internet, come up with a way to really be very unique in how you present that. So product launches are a great opportunity. So for instance, if you're sharing something on Facebook marketing, maybe you can share a specific tip or something that will really help, and then you lead into how people can get more information about a product launch. So these are great ways to come up with Facebook Live ideas, but the key is really, thinking it through, giving some good value, and leading into a potential ability for someone to sign up or buy a product from you. Product launches and promos are a great way to do Facebook Lives. I've done them often. They work fantastic. And the cool thing is that if you do it right, you can also create an evergreen piece of content that can be used out there. All right, so let's dive into number 5. Okay, so this is a really good one. It's used often, and I'll tell you, it will really get people watching your Facebook Lives. That is success stories. This is another form of bringing people out, interviewing them on people that have had success. So if somebody has gone out, and this isn't just experts, but it could be someone who's a beginner who went out and in their first week signed up 5 people in their program. Bring them on, talk to them, say, tell us, how did you do it? This is a great way to get people involved, and the fact that they're brand new can really relate to a large audience because a lot of people are new. A lot of people are still trying to figure out things. It doesn't matter what the niche. If it's in the weight loss niche, there's people that are just starting their weight loss journey. They may want to hear how Susie lost 10 pounds in her first week. They may want to, hear how Susie has kept the weight off for 3 months and she just started. This is the first time she's ever had success. So sharing success stories on a Facebook Live is a great way for you to attract viewers, bring them on, really give them solid content, and build an audience. All right, so there you go. There are the 5 Facebook Live ideas. I'm telling you, if you go by these, you can really, you'll never run out of ideas, quite frankly. But if you are struggling and you have not picked up my 101 live stream ideas PDF, make sure you grab that. I'll put the link in the description of this video. If you're on my blog, look right below this video, click that button, and you can download it right away. All right, so do you have any more Facebook Live ideas that could be really beneficial for people that are doing live streams? Put it in the comments below. I'd love to know what it is that you do and how you have attracted people to your live videos. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.